In the wave of emerging additive manufacturing technologies, DLP 3D printing is leading a revolutionary change. The RAISE 3D DF2 solution comes with the professional slicing software ideaMaker, which is your efficient production assistant in easily turning ideas into reality. ideaMaker includes exclusive DLP templates for the RAISE 3D DF2, significantly reducing the learning curve. ideaMake features a variety of user-friendly functions, rapidly igniting your creative potential. Simply import the model to start an effortless slicing journey. Firstly, the proper positioning of the model is a prerequisite for successful printing. ideaMaker includes a cross-sectional area analysis tool to assess area change rates, identifying risks and enhancing print success. Suction cup detection prevents inverted cup structures, avoiding printing failures. You don't even have to worry about how to adjust the model's position, because ideaMaker supports automatic orientation of the model to achieve better printing angles that suit its geometry. Furthermore, achieving a rapid increase in material utilization and lightweighting is also easily achievable. ideaMaker's hollow feature allows the creation of hollow structures or internal channels to optimize the model structure for different applications. You can be rest assured that resin residue won't form inside cavities after the model has been hollowed, as ideaMaker also features a drainage function, facilitating the cleaning of residual resin. This feature can also be used to add additional functionalities or details, thus increasing practicality. In ideaMaker, it's easy to create and adjust support structures based on the characteristics of the model. The automatic support creation enhances printing efficiency, while the manual support editing offers greater flexibility, enabling users to precisely control the support structure. When you advance to the master level, custom parameter templates offer greater creative freedom and meet refined printing requirements. After setting the post-processing parameters, ideaMaker automatically calculates and inputs the results into the slicing file for the RAISE 3D washing and curing machines. Overall, ideaMaker empowers you to effortlessly harness RAISE 3D DF2, completing the entire process from data preparation to production.